Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Langflow just died on me without any errors. I didn't see that it died on me, but I see that it's Python. It complained that I can only run it in one session. Okay, that's fine, but it's not running any other sessions. So let's take a look at what's going on here, and you'll see that PowerShell's got two instances and Python is currently running. So I'm going to kill both instances and let's go. Oh, that should have been killed, but it didn't. That's not good. So let's go back down here, arrow up, launch Langflow. Oh, and it's still running somewhere. Okay, that's no good. That's really no good. Why is Langflow still running? Okay, now it looks like it's okay. So let's go back here. Interesting. So I guess it takes time for the engine to shut down. Okay, so last time I showed you a custom prompt. Now I can't, there's no apparent way for me to file save as here. So if I wipe out this prompt, a tree of, I'm going to call it tree of thought, which it's really, but it doesn't look like there's a way for me to file save as and create a new one. So that means I have to export it. I'm going to save it with my APIs, but this one I'm going to call new thought. Yeah, why not? Download the flow. I'm going to put it on the desktop so I can find it. Save. Close this. Import a new, actually, let's open up a new tab. And now import here, local file, new thought. Okay, so that should, now everything just went green, so that's looking pretty good. Now, oh, look at that. Okay, so now I can rename this, I guess, and call it Tree of Thought. And this one I'm going to call Lesson Plan. Okay, so now that should save. And now I'm going to open this up. And I'm just going to blow all of this away. Paste in what I want right here. So course subject. Okay, for a course. So I need to remember what the human said. Okay, so the human says course. And the AI says All right, so let's try this out. Um, and I'm going to say write a dialogue, write dialogues. Um, write dialogues about topic. Topic. All right, that should work. The topic. So I need to remember that. Check and save. That should work. And now let's run it. Okay, so hide this. Topic is work from home. And let's see what happens. Let's check our console. Oh no. well, well, GPT-4 does. Okay, so that's not going to work. Let's kill that because GPT-4 does not work. That was my last model. And GPT-4 does not work. So we go to 3.5 control. And now there's no indication that the new model is going to be loaded. And I'm not even sure this will work because it still says it's thinking. Erase that. Try again. Work from home. And let's see if I'm still getting a stack of errors in here. No, I can't tell. Yeah, GPT-4 model does not exist. This is really annoying. I can't tell if it's actually doing anything or is this the last error? Yeah, right there. It does not exist, does not exist. So it's not, is it not loading the new error, the new model? It doesn't look like it. Oh, this is so frustrating. I can't load a new model dynamically. There it is, GPT-4. It just, if I kill it here, yeah, it doesn't, I can't refresh it. How do I force a refresh? Reload? Let's see if that does anything. Waiting for 127001. Refresh doesn't seem to be giving me what I want. And how do I save these in between my sessions? So the next time I load, next time I come back, I want these sessions to be loaded there. And export may or may not work. Okay, so much to improve upon with Langflow. Number one being dynamic reloading of the server. Okay, wish list, dynamic reload of server via the UI. I've already said that before because this is a continuing problem with Langflow in its current state. Yeah. All right. That's it. Another fail on Langflow. You have to be really careful with this application because it's just so fragile. Thanks for watching and happy computing.